So now as we discussed the different position, we will take the same plane area and let me check the different position. I will read out the problem and just observe what he is asking here. Draw the projections of a rectangular plane of sides 50 mm and 30 mm when it is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. So just before our analyzation, just I will explain one of the problem, how to just imagine, how to imagine the plane in the given position of the conditions of the problem. So for that one, so let me consider a plane representation, so that please keep in mind here onwards, almost all the problems here were related with first angle, that is above horizontal plane in front of the vertical plane. So now you have to imagine the position of the plane as per his speaking parallel to HP. Whenever it is parallel, automatically it will be perpendicular to the VP. So in this position, we are not given any other details. How much in front, how much above HP is not given. Whenever not given, you can just assume any whatever the thing required. But you have to satisfy whatever the condition given in the problem. Here how much above, how much in front is not given, so there is a liberty to you can assume the whatever the distance convenient to you. But you have to satisfy the condition what has been given. Parallel to HP, just I am taking a little bit something above HP and I am considering it is in front of the VP. So I am considering a rectangular area, so which I am keeping parallel. So whenever parallel, so what we are just taking orthogonal projection means we have to imagine says that every ray is evolved from that one and it meets the plane. So where it meets the plane, it forms the respective projection, so which is the same of the rectangle area top view. So now coming to the front view, you have to imagine from the front direction, if you are just identified, we are able to get the respective front view. This will be front view and this will be top view. Of that, what we are taking to represent the solution, we are always keeping 90 degrees rotated horizontal plane in clockwise direction. If you are rotated, what happens? The entire plane including the projection, it will be comes down. So exactly in the line of this one, it will be comes down, so that is the top view. The same thing without this exercise also, as fundamentally the things whatever we are shared just now, so by that also we can just produce the same solution as ever required. So for that one, what we need mean, first we have to draw the XY reference line and you have identified as per the conditions above the XY line which area, below the XY which area. Being we are considering the first angle projection, above the line is vertical plane, so below is the horizontal plane. We have listed out the point you have to observe from the problem parallel condition. So which plane it is parallel with HP. Whenever parallel to HP, the respective projection to be drawn first. HP projection is nothing but top view. So I have to initiate to draw the top view. So perpendicular to VP. So now considering, so whenever in front is distance not given, we can imagine. Okay, now consider here the total area it appears, that take any length of convenience and try to represent the top view. So what are the long side? We can take 50 mm and the short side of the 30 mm and just finish the view. So we draw on the top view. So for identification, let us assume this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, this is the D. So what are the views respective? This will be A, B, C, D. So now coming to here, this will be A, B, C, D. Any randomly also we can guess. But in the real time, you have to use the capital letter identification. In the top view, respective lowercase. In the front view, with the respective lowercase, but superscript dash. So now considering this as a corner, you have to represent as a small a. This will be small b. This will be C. This will be D. So now coming to the compare to the other view. So what the other view left over? We are the vertical plane projection. VP projection is nothing but front view by considering the standard formula once again. So what the standard relation? Front view, top view always in a same line. The front view must be aligned. Front view must be aligned this one. But on the line where it could be. So for that you have to considering the VP projection is the front view. Front view is the details of horizontal plane. Is there any distance above given? In this problem not given. Whenever not given, we can choose any your convenient length. So now considering here, top view of the A point is here. In the same A point, projection on this only somewhere A dash. The since it is not given, we can assume that any point as a A dash. In the same line, we have the one more point D, but we have the A will be front side, D will be exactly behind. If you view in this direction, the D will be comes behind of the A. Since D is hidden, not visible directly, you have to mention this is in the brackets. Now the same, you can just get back to the lines. Now the AB is nothing but an edge as of line. So when it is a parallel, the respective there also it appears a parallel. So that means A dash is here mean where the B dash can be must be on the line of B. Above the condition is a parallel. So now here this is the B dash. Since C is behind of it in the bracket, you can mention C dash. The simply top view and front view will be completed. After that you have to show what the dimension part has been given, length has been given, draw the extension line and show the dimension line by with approximately properly drawn arrowheads. For the dimension it is 50. So thereafter other short edge which is of 30 mm at properly dimension to be named. So we are able to represent the top view as well as the front view with the given condition of the problem. So in this one we are taking the imaginary exercise to represent, but the next problem honors directly we can do by taking the assistance of the fundamental statements whatever we are concluded as a concepts. So what the thing you have to keep in mind, any problem given first you have to observe the parallel condition. If you are observe that, then we can do the problem very conveniently.